Thanks to Pitaka for sponsoring today's video. The iPhone is one of the most impressive pieces of technology that has ever come out. Could you imagine what life would be like if you didn't have this iPhone in your hand? Honestly, for me, I think this is one of the most important things for you because you have all of human knowledge in your pocket, and I think that's a pretty dang cool thing to be able to say. So today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we're going to be looking at a quick unboxing video of it because if you're going to be spending so much of your money, like these things are crazy expensive, if you're going to be spending all of this hard-earned money, you want to know what is going to be in the box for this guy, and so I just wanted to do a real quick one. All right, so this is the 16 Pro Max. I got it in the black version because I thought that would be a pretty darn cool color. Now in the box, I already took it out, just I was curious and I wanted to peek at it real quick. Got it a little bit set up, but this is exactly what your unboxing experience will be like. So Apple packaging is always so incredibly solid. The design language on everything, it's absolutely gorgeous. If you can't tell, I'm a pretty big Apple fan. I think these kind of design features, like even the back side or the front side of the phone and seeing the design in it is just, it's a gorgeous thing. And so the boxes feel solid. Now here's the thing you want to do. You want to make sure that you are keeping your boxes. When you keep your boxes, you can resell these phones for more. It is a pretty good strategy for people. Get a new phone, keep it for 2 years, 3 years, and then sell it on the aftermarket. Don't trade it in. Trade-in values for iPhones are never very good, but if you keep the box for these things, you can sell it, and you'll make more money by having the box, and they're so solid. Like, that's cardboard, but it's as solid as a piece of wood. You'll just be able to sell for more on the aftermarket. So that's the top of the box. Now, a quick word from our sponsor, Pitaka, who sponsored today's video. As you can see, these Pitaka woven cases have a full coverage design. Everything from the bottom of your phone, the full camera is covered. Everything top to bottom is covered and protected with this case. Guys, these Pitaka cases are absolutely gorgeous. They might be the most aesthetic case I've ever seen. Now, this fiber here is a woven fiber called aramid fiber, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love the look of these. They also sent me out a blue version of this. They are so incredibly gorgeous. They do also protect your phone. Look at how thin these guys are, and yet if you drop your phone, they do still have quite a bit of protection. As you can see on these Pitaka cases, they have the cutouts for both the power and for the camera bump right there. And so if you are somebody who is going to actually use that camera bump quite a bit, or the camera button quite a bit, they've got you back. They also have this really cool fusion weaving technology, which just means that there's different colors on the spools of fiber. And so it just blends really well in a way that other companies can't do. The other thing I love is that, man, you spend so much money on a camera or on a phone with these kind of cameras, and this bump right here, it covers just the slightest little bit over where the camera bump is, which is really helpful because if you scratch these lenses on your camera, there is no going back. When you do that, you lose all the functionality of these gorgeous new cameras. You don't want to do that. You should protect your camera well with this tactile woven case from Pitaka. The other great thing about these is that they are MagSafe compatible. Look at this, man, and see that attention to detail. This is the sunset color. Look at that on this MagSafe compatible thing. It comes with the sunset color. This pops out for you to use. You can use it as a stand for your phone just like this, and so if you're watching something, you can watch it. It's awesome. So make sure you check the link in the description below to get this beautiful Pitaka case, this beautiful woven look. I absolutely love it. Look how aesthetic that is. It's gorgeous. Thanks again, Pitaka, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into it. This is how the iPhone comes. It comes with the cameras facing up, which is a good thing. Cameras facing up like that. So this phone comes with a nice, you can see that I actually already looked at it a little bit. It comes with a cover. That's just to keep the screen safe. Peel this guy back, and then you can kind of discard this. Again, if you wanted to keep something like this for resale later on, you could. Also, I would keep it because Apple's return policy is really great. And if you don't like this phone, like this is the Pro Max version, it's pretty darn big. If you don't like something like the Pro Max version that is massive in the hand, you could return it and get something like the 15 or the 16 Pro, which is 6.1 inches across, I believe, something like that. It's just the smaller version of this. So you could do that. So in the box, you get the beautiful iPhone. This is, like I said, the black iPhone. It's got the 3 cameras. The cameras face up. It is absolutely gorgeous. Then inside the rest of the box, you have the cable that it comes with. let's open this guy up real quick. Just fold that back over. So it just comes with a USB-C charger, or with the USB-C cable. It does not come with the USB-C charger. That is something that changed a little while ago, and I'm totally fine with it because you've got different companies that make these little GAN chargers that have the same amount of power as a larger charger that Apple would sell because they are a better technology. They come in a smaller package, so it ends up being fine. You can also find stuff, Ugreen, a couple, Anchor sells a couple of chargers where they are multiple ports in one charger. I think those are helpful, but this is a very nice braided cable right here. You can see the braiding on this guy. It's a great cable. You're gonna use it for a long time. It's gonna last. And then also we see in this guy, we've got some paperwork here. They don't do stickers anymore, which is kind of a bummer. Like I always really enjoyed the stickers on the iPhones. Any of the stickers that came with any of the devices. They're not really doing that anymore. So gone are the days where you saw people driving down the road with their Apple stickers on. But like I said, this is a gorgeous phone. I think, I mean, look at that screen. That thing is massive. Look at the size of the bezel. So this was just kind of my initial unboxing and my initial reaction to this guy. It is a beautiful, beautiful phone. Now, do I think everybody should upgrade to this guy? Probably not. iPhones currently have kind of gone into a route where not everything is worth upgrading every year, and that's totally fine, right? I think it's actually a better place to be, where everybody back in the day, say like iPhone 4, 5, 6, 7, all of it, everybody would upgrade the next year and the next year and the next year. And Apple wants to be a actual green company, and if they're going to be a green company, they need to make sure that they have phones that last more than just a single year. And so for you, if you're looking at this phone, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. It is a gorgeous phone, and yes, they're expensive, very expensive if you didn't know that, but they do last quite a long time. These are powerful, batteries are massive, and so they last all day. If you're using it like a light load, it will last a day and a half. So is it worth it to upgrade? That depends on what phone you're on right now. We will do a couple comparisons videos with this guy. I love comparing new tech to old tech, so we're gonna do that. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel to see everything we're gonna come out with. This is a fun season where there's a lot of new tech out, so a lot of videos are coming out. So get subscribed, like this video if you found it helpful as just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna be doing a deeper review and a couple of iterations of long-term usage reviews, all that. But so far, beautiful phone. Hey guys, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying out a new style of doing content where I'm actually putting out more videos. I'm trying to do 1 to 2 videos a day. I'm just experimenting a little bit, seeing if that's something that is helpful, if the algorithm favors that, because I really do want this channel to continue to grow. But if it's just too much, let me know in the comments. You don't have to watch every single video, obviously, but I think that feedback would be helpful. For me, I like more kind of like day in, day out, everyday kind of tech. I don't like super high quality videos because it just feels a little detached from real life. So I'm just trying this for a little bit. Let me know your thoughts. See you guys in the next one.